Radhe Radhe. I am Amit Mutreja, based out of US Dallas, Texas. I and my wife Anuradha have been fortunate to be able to attend the Bhagavad Gita Summit hosted by J.K. Yog and Swami Mukundanand. All the sessions and interactions have been fantastic and mind-blowing. However, the session by Swami Sachidanand on millennials is very close to my heart. I have children who are millennials. His analog about how there are manuals for all the gadgets to be used, and while there is no manual for the brain, which is the most sophisticated gadget we have, is amazing and fantastic. The fact that Bhagavad Gita can be used as that manual to be able to empower our brain and create the realization and changes in our life is just too good to think about. If the children or the millennials of today and all of us can do that, it will just be amazing for the results that we can create. So, and even the interaction and the question and answers, we provided a very balanced and perspective on how the millennials think and how the elders think, or we think as parents. So it has a lot of takeaways for me to think about and to be able to well interact with my kids, to have a balanced mindset and approach to things. So I'm really thankful to Swami Mukundanand and J.K. Yog for the ability to be able to participate in this. It was divine intervention that this year on the Janmashtami day, which also fortunately happened to be my birthday, I got first associated with J.K. Yog and then Swami Mukundanand, and then my life has started to change thereafter.
Missed an important session or want to watch the previous session again? No worries, we have great news for you. All sessions are available on demand